Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekkalaiva. Now I am going to discuss perimeter and area for 6th standard. Listen, we completed exercise 14.1 perimeter. Now we are going to discuss in 14.2 area. See, area means the amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure. See, inside the shape, no? So, the shape inside what it is going to be covered, it is said to be an area. Got it? So, I am going to find out for rectangle. Area of a rectangle. Space inside the closed figure. Okay, space inside the closed figure I can set to be a area, which is what? Area. Got it? Now see, for the rectangle and for the square I am going to find out the area. Area of a rectangle. See, length. See, rectangle you are having the sides, length and the breadth. So, length into breadth. Got it? And see, the unit should be in the square. Okay. So, square unit. For area, the unit is what? Square. See, suppose if area, if suppose the length and the breadth they are given, I am going to find out the area means just I am going to find the length multiply with the breadth. Suppose I am going to find out the length and they are given an area as well as the breadth. What I have to do? Area by breadth. Can you understand this? See, from this formula I am going to do this. Suppose if I am going to find out the length, area by breadth. Suppose I am going to find out the breadth, then what it is? Area by length. So, this is my first thing. Next, I am going to find out for area of a square. What is area of a square? Second one. Area of a square is equal to, see, for the square you are having side. Okay. So, for that side into side square unit. Can you understand this? Area of a square is what? Side into side, because see, square, 4 sides are equal. So, here I am mentioning that side. So, side into side is what? Your area of a square. Suppose if they are given the area, I am going to find out the side. Then what I have to do? Side is equal to square root of area. If I can find the square root of the area, I can get the side. Got it? See, from this I am going to discuss the exercise 14.2, children. See the first sum. Find the area of the rectangle with given sides. So, these are the sides. What is that? Rectangle means length as well as the breadth. Okay. And arrange them from the smallest to the largest. Smallest to the largest means what order it is? Ascending order. Can you clear this? Can you clear this or not? So, find the area of the rectangle. So, I am going to find out the area first thing. So, for the first sum, second, third as well as fourth, I am going to find out the area. After finding the area for the four sums, I am going to arrange this in the ascending order. For the ascending order, I can use the less than symbol. Can you clear this? Can you clear this? So, in this sum, I am going to do the 2 steps. One is finding the area and second one is I am going to arrange this in the ascending order. See, listen. What is the area of your rectangle, which is length and the breadth are given in the question? So, area of a rectangle. Length which is given in the question is what? 5 centimeter. And what is the breadth given here? 3 centimeter. Listen, 5 3s are what, ma? 15. Got it? And centimeter into centimeter. So, centimeter square. Can you understand this? 5 3s are 15 and the unit, see the unit, for the length you are having the unit centimeter, as well as the breadth you are having the unit centimeter. So, centimeter into centimeter is what? Centimeter square. So, what is that? Area of a rectangle for the first sum. What is the first sum answer? Area is equal to 15 centimeter square. Got it? Next, I will move on to the second sum. See the area of what we have to find out. See, this is your length and this is your breadth. Got it? Now listen, area is equal to L into B. So 12 into 21 meter square. Okay, directly I can multiply the units. Meter into meter. What is the answer? Meter square. Now do those in the rough column. 12 into 21. Listen, 1 12s are 12. 12 2s are 24. So 252. So what is the area? 252 meter square. Answer, area is what, ma? 252 meter square. Got it? Now I am coming for the third one. So listen, here what is the area? Length into breadth. See, this is your length and this is your breadth. So L into B, which is what? 2 into 4. What is the unit given here? Kilometer. So I can directly write to be what? Kilometer square. Once the unit for the area is in the square. So kilometer square. What is 2 4s are? 8 kilometer square. So answer for the third one is what? Area is equal to 8 kilometer square. Got it? Any doubt in this? Next, I will move on to the fourth sum. Listen. See here, there is a difference between these three sum and the fourth sum. See, your length as well as the breadth unit are same. What about here? Meter, meter. And here kilometer, kilometer. But see here, the length is 2 meter as well as the breadth is what? In the unit is what? In centimeter. So I am going to convert whether meter into centimeter or centimeter into meter. Is it clear? Here I am going to convert meter into centimeter. Got it? Listen. What is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. See, it is in the conversion. 1 meter is equal to how much, ma? 100 centimeter. So, I can change this 2 meter into centimeter. So, 2 into, instead of meter, I can multiply this 100 centimeter. So, 2 into 100, which is what? 200 centimeter. Now, write this. Instead of 2 meter, I can write 200 centimeter and 70 centimeter. Now my units are what? What is my unit? Same. Can you clear this? Now I can substitute this. Area, length into breadth. So 200 into 70. What is the unit for this? Centimeter square. Can you clear this? Now listen. See how many zeros do you have here? 3 zeros. So write that 3 zeros and multiple 2 with what? 7. So 2 sevens are what? 14. So the answer is what? 14,000 centimeters square. Can you clear this? So my step 1 is over. Now I am moving for the step 2, which is I am going to arrange this in what order? Ascending order. Listen, first you collect all the things. See, for the first sum you are getting 15 centimeters square, and for the second one you are getting 252 meters square, and for the third one you are getting 8 kilometer square, and fourth one you are getting 14,000 centimeter square. Can you clear this? Can you clear this? This is first one answer, second one answer, third one answer, and it is what? Fourth one answer. Now I am going to arrange this in ascending order. So before going to this, I am going to write the unit for the length. Listen, kilometer. The unit of the length should be start in the kilometer, and hectometer. Got it? Next, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. The longest, which is, see, this is the largest unit, which is what? Kilometer. And the smallest one is what? Millimeter. So kilometer we can measure for the distance, and millimeter you have seen in your scale. Okay, so this is your largest unit, and this is what? Smallest. So from this I am going to arrange from what? Smallest to the largest. See the unit here, which is the smallest here. See this here, centimeter, centimeter. The smallest one is millimeter is not there. Next one is what? Centimeter is there. So is it 15 is the smallest, or 14,000 is smallest here? Which one is smallest here? 15 centimeter square is smallest. So write that 15 centimeter square. I told you to arrange with the less than symbol. So for that, less than. And second, which one is smallest? 14,000 centimeter square. Next, after completing the centimeter, what unit is here? Meter square, which is what? 252 meter square, less than. And finally, what is there in the kilometer? 8 kilometer square. Got it? So the first one is 15 centimeter square. Second one is your 14,000 centimeter square. And third one is what? 252 meter square. And finally fourth one is what? 8 kilometer square. See, this is the unit of the length. Got it? So according to this, I arranged. This is your final answer. Any doubt in this, ma? Shall I move on to the next sum? Find the area of the square with the given side. See, side what they are given? 10 centimeter. Okay. Now I am going to find out the area of a square. What is the area of a square formula? Side into side square unit. So area means the unit should be what? Square. Now side is what is that? 10 centimeter. So 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter. Just you multiply 10 tens are 100. And centimeter into centimeter is what? Centimeter square. Now I am going to write the answer for this. Area of a square is equal to 100 centimeter square. Can you clear this, children? Next I will move on to the third sum. Listen, here the side is what? 2.5 kilometer. Now find the area for this. Area of a square is equal to side into side square units. Got it? Now, what is the side here? 2.5 kilometer into 2.5 kilometer. Just you multiply this 2.5 into 2.5. Listen, 5 5s are 25, 2 carry over, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2 is what? 12. And what is that? 2 5s are 10, 1 carry over, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 is what? 5. Now I can add this 5, 2, 6. Listen children, 2.5, 2.5. Okay, 1 digit after decimal is there, here 1 digit after decimal. So 1 plus 1 what? 2. So 2 digit after you have to keep your decimal. Can you understand this? So 6.25. Now when I multiply 2.5 with 2.5, my answer is what? 6.25. Kilometer into kilometer, when I am going to multiply, it is what? Kilometer square. Can you understand this? Now I am going to write the answer. What is the answer? Area of a square is equal to 6.25 kilometers square. Any doubt in this, children? Shall I move on to the third sum? Listen. How many square of side 5 centimeter are required to cover a rectangle measuring 55 centimeter and 25 centimeter? So a rectangle which is what? 55 centimeter, 25 centimeter. In this I am going to squares I am going to arrange. The square side is what? 5 centimeter. So I am going to arrange the squares like this. So this, how much I am going to arrange the square? That is my question. Can you understand this, children? So what I have to do? I am going to find out number of squares. If I am going to find out the number of squares, first step, I am going to find out the area of a rectangle as well as the area of a square. If I find these two and if I divide means I can find out the number of squares. Can you understand this, children? See, listen. For the rectangle, so what is the length? 55 centimeter and your breadth is 25 centimeter. And for the square, what is the side? 5 centimeter. Now I am going to find out number of squares. Number of squares is equal to area of a rectangle by area of a square. See, what is the area of a rectangle formula? Length into breadth. So L into B divided by S into S. See, what is the length here? 55 into 25. 55 into what is your breadth? 25. And what is side? 5 into 5. Listen, children. 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. Again 5 5 getting cancelled. So what is that? 55. Got it? Now I am going to write the answer. What is the answer? Number of squares is equal to 55. If I am going to find out the number of square, area of a rectangle divided by Area of a square. Area of rectangle formula, length into breadth. Area of a square, side into side. So according to this, substitute and cancel your numerator and denominator. Finally you can get the answer to be what? 55. So these 55 is your number of squares. Okay. Thank children, to receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you children.